Menteri Ketenat Boarding UET Mandal mentagasngi ula pentip baya ka Jingkieng ha kapung Umïam on sara Hajrong Shuwa ka khasan Tarik Lber na ka Bynta ban Pyndait Tiar Thymmai. Ula ong ba Ketenat Boarding ka sa pentip sya phang ban ra e ka ni ka Jingkieng. Katkum ka Jingyetu Mandal on khang yat kali kum basaw hadu prakanta ha kasngi bara ya ka Jingkieng ha ka ba hadien pan kin sa tenrong na baro arliang bat on sa sya ru tangki kali red ban yat kum ba katu anipor. Uni Menteri Ulaong Ru bagi lawat daki weipat kisurok ban pentikna bagayat kayeng kikali kadom thut satya hakapor belara eka Jingkieng. Hakabaula benrap Ru bakatenat PWD kelalap eka lenti hakaba kalap ban shnai eka Jingkieng ke Thymmai ban penyeso eka nong ba Shuwa bat ka Umïam.
On the day of lifting the bridge, around 4 to 8 hours, the entire bridge will be closed down. There will be no thoroughfare as far the vehicular traffic is concerned through the bridge. After it is lifted and kept in a particular height, then we'll put ramp on both sides of the bridge and allow the passage of light vehicles and so also ambulance and all these things through the bridge. We'll be not allowing any heavy vehicles. There will be complete closure of the heavy vehicles.
Unang alam ka Parliamentary Party